Hey everybody, this is Dustin and Dave, your RV specialist. And so today we're looking at a 2018 Winnebago Micro Mini, and it's in here for a body reseal. And so I wanted to talk about the importance of a body reseal, right? So people are always saying, hey, don't use silicone and this and that. Well, we use RV grade silicones, right? So for those of you who are like, hey, this is a Boss 378 silicone. Here's another version that's a GeoCell. Over the years, there's different brands and different types that we use. So whether it be Dicor, Boss, GeoCell, there's other products out there. It just depends pretty much on the states. So when we're looking at a body reseal and we're talking about it, one of the things that we want you to know is that the silicone is not a permanent waterproofer, right? I want you to think of this silicone as that it's like an umbrella. So here's where you can see where he's went and put white against the surrounding of a window. And so, what this is designed to do is that the water hits it, whether you're washing it, pressure washing it, it's raining or driving in rain, it's made to be a deflectant, right? That's all we want it to be. We want to be able to, when time comes in 2 or 3 years and when it needs to be scraped off, we can easily scrape it off without causing any damage to the body, without causing any damage to the decals. And we don't want it to be like cement coming off there, right? So same thing here, he's gone around and he's finished off, around the fender skirts. He's gone around the showers. He's gone around the city water fills or the sewage flushes. He's got around the utility light or the clearance lights, the side moldings, the stove vent, the refrigerator vent. Anything that we can put sealant around that's going to act like a water deflective, that's what we're doing. So he's put it behind the water heater door. He's put it on all the compartments, right? He's put it on all the latches, on all the clearance lights and all the moldings. And so you can see how we try to do nice and clean lines. So see the white against the black, right? And we're doing that on purpose. Some people say, hey, how come you didn't put a little bit of black there? Well, then we're, cross blending 2 different colors. And we want to see if that sealant going to fail. So the tattletale too is, these windows are just sandwiched in place. There's screws on the backside that are self-tap. And if those screws become loose, even though they don't look like they are, the window will shake and agitate, and then that sealant will move. So another thing that we do as a precautionary thing is we have all of our customers, whenever we reseal something, we ask them to come back in within 90 days. At 90 days, we do a no-charge touch-up, and at that point, we can see if there's anything that's, missed or came loose or fell off, or, hey, Dave, I just noticed you got a clearance light and a compartment door latch over here that's not been sealed yet. So I don't know if you're still finishing that up.
Oh, thank you.
And then I'm not sure if you did that spot or not either. But anyway, so it's always good to have a second set of eyes on something just like that, There's things that do get missed. And so there's usually a couple of us that'll come back and double check. Imagine even though this guy's a little shorty and it's a little 17 footer, so it's a 1706 FB, sometimes, the attention to detail, you're going up and down the ladder, you're dealing with fumes, you're using scrapers, you're using solvent cleaners, you're using a lot of different products, and so when you do that, sometimes these guys will get a little bit, I don't know what you call it, tired or, from the smell of the fumes. So here's Dave, applying that silicone around both of those items. And there's not really, any special tricks. I mean, depending upon the coach, sometimes we'll tape them up. But Dave has literally put down, I don't know, folks, I'm going to say several hundred thousands of tubes of silicone in all the years that he's been doing this. So he's pretty good at resealing it and then, making sure that everything looks good. So look how nice and clean those are. Great job, Dave. So we appreciate you. And if you haven't already joined us, check us out at Winnebago's in the RV Shop with Dustin and the crew. This is where we post pictures of, projects that we're working on, videos to kind of give you updates on it, let you see statuses. We have a lot of videos on YouTube. We have a lot of pictures and photo albums and stuff to help guide you. So if you look at any of our articles as well, you'll get to see like how he's using specific caulking guns, or he's using certain sealants for certain areas, or screws or trifold rivets or anything that we're using, we kind of help to share that. And we usually give you like the Amazon links for it. Or if we don't have an Amazon link and it's something we carry, we'll put it on our eBay store. But it's all in the thing to help educate the consumers, help educate the industry, and put it out there so that whether you want to have somebody do it or you want to do it yourself or you have a family member or something like that, you know, it's just best to know what to use. You know, I think that's the end of the day. It's a lot of stuff like that. So like his tool cart, his spray gun with solvent cleaner, you know, a lot of rags, a lot of paper towels we go through. But anyways, thanks so much for watching, and sorry I've rattled on so much. Hopefully this helps you out. And again, this body reseal is here for water deflection. It's not to permanently stop water from getting in the coach. If water's getting past the sealant and coming directly into the coach, then you need to remove whatever item that is and see what's going on behind it. Maybe the opening of the window was cut too big. Maybe the opening of the compartment door was cut too big. Maybe something's busted loose and moving in the wall. So anyways, thanks so much for watching and have a great day.